folks. Old James. It is Saturday afternoon in the big town of Keithville. I am headed down to the pond. Got P-Row in the truck. But I did go down to Bass Pro Shop this morning, which is why I'm getting such a late start. I went down there, and that's where I buy my Yum Dingers from Bass Pro, because they sell them in a 30-pack. And I always buy June Bug. Now I went up there today. They wasn't one bag of June Bug colored Yum Dingers in the whole Bass Pro shop. I went over and told that salesman, I said, look, where's all the June Bug colored Yum Dingers at? Well, we got Bass Pro Shop brand, we got Cinco's, we got blah, 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 and blah, blah. I said, that ain't what I asked you. What I asked you was, where's all the damn Yum Dingers at? So, anyway, he managed to go back in the back and find some. So, I did get some. I got 3 bags of Yum Dingers in 30-pack. Appreciate everybody watching, everybody that comments. Appreciate the comments. I would also appreciate a like, and those of you who are not subscribed, which is about, last time I looked, 80%, hit that subscribe button. I just recently passed 600 subscribers, and I'm intending on doing a giveaway. Ain't working out what I'm gonna give away yet, but this is the video that you need to comment on, and leave a comment with a hashtag 600, and then, you know, a week or so from now I'll do a drawing and we will give away something. It'll either be a $100 Amazon gift card, or it will be a $100 Bass Pro gift card. I'll leave that up to whoever wins. But again, appreciate everybody watching. I'm gonna go out here and see what I can catch. Oh, we got a lot of rain yesterday, and it might have messed them up. I don't know, but we're getting ready to find out. See y'all on the water. Still not a great hook set. Little dink. Alright, my crawfish fishing days are just over with. I ain't never missed so many damn fish in my life. Ain't supposed to rain today. But it's going to. No doubt about it. Still ain't got a good hook set on this song. I don't understand it. Freaking rain. You ain't never going to learn that damn young dinger trick, are you? That's 3 days in a row, 3 or 4 days in a row. Must be hungry. Look, still ain't all the way through. I'll get you back out there because I know you're going to spawn. Pretty good hook set on you, didn't I? It's 'cause you little.